For all MTN users, conclude, I know you like this. Do you know that you can get 50 GB of data free or charge from MTN? In this video, I'm going to show you how to get 50 GB of data free or charge from MTN that can use to browse the internet. If this is the type of video that you like to watch, do well to like this video and also drop a comment in the comment section. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome. On this channel, I teach you different methods that you can work from home and make passive income online. If that interests you, do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get the notification. So let's dive right into the video. So the first thing you need to do, go to your Google Play Store, you go to your App Store depending on the type of phone you are using, then type My MTN NG. So it's going to bring this app, so you're going to download this app to your phone. I've already downloaded it on my phone. After you have downloaded the app, then click on open to bring it to this interface. So the next step is for you to start your registration process. So you click on get started for you to start your registration process. So once you click on that, it will bring you to this interface. Then click on sign up with email. So this is very important. Make sure you sign up with your email, not your phone number. So if you click on that, it will bring you to this interface. Then you select the Gmail that you want to use, then log in. So you have successfully logged into your account. So the next step is very important. If you miss this step, you will not be able to get access to the free 50 GB of data that you use. So what you need to do next is you're going to log out of this account, then you're going to log in back with your phone number. The next thing I will do is I will click on more to log out of this account. I'll click on log out. I'll click on yes. Then the next thing I will do is I will log in back into this account, but this time I'm going to log in back with my phone number, not my Google account. So I'll click on continue with my number. Then I'm going to enter my MTN number. Then I'll click on continue. Then they will send me an OTP, so I will enter the OTP that they sent to me. Once I enter the OTP, it will bring me to this interface. Then I'll click on agree. Then I'll click on continue. Then I'll click on I will do that later. Then it will bring me to this interface. I'll click on next. I'll click on next again. Then you can say now, congratulations, you have been offered 50 GB free data for downloading my MTN app. Click to activate now. So I'll click to activate now to conclude the offer now. So I'll click on activate. So congratulations, you can now enjoy 50 GB free data with my MTN. So I'll click on got it. So this is how you can get 50 GB of data free or charge from MTN after you have downloaded this app. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and drop your comment on the comment section. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get the notification. If you want to learn how to get it at a very cheap price from other networks, you can check the description of this video. You can watch the video that is showing next on your screen.